Okay, hello everyone. Today we will have a review of the Airpods 3, which came actually quite a long time ago, but now it's 2023. So let's see whether it's still good headphones right now to buy. And actually it's one of the options available for iPhone right here. And you've got this version, which is actually quite new. You've got AirPods 2, which is cheaper and older, and you've got AirPods Pro 2, which is the top model of such size earphones. So basically, let's check it out. Let's open and see whether it's worth to buy. Current price of these AirPods is around $150 per pair. So yeah, let's just open up and see how it looks like. What we've got here, we've got this nice package from Apple. I already opened it before, of course, but this one is AirPods with MagSafe charging case. So it supports MagSafe charging as well as Lightning charging. We also got the version with only MagSafe charging without Lightning, but this is a more advanced option, let's say, AirPods 3. So let's open it up. I will show you one more thing that I have here. I've got this cheap Chinese case, which costs around $1, which is white color, same color as AirPods itself. Yeah, it's actually quite nice. I will show you how it fits later on. So let's open up. You've got this nice package designed by Apple in California, so you would know that you're buying Apple products. Of course, there is no Apple stickers inside, but let's see what they offer. So there is some manual, quick manual made from really thin paper. Basically, what it shows that you how to connect the AirPods, why you have this button here, and from the back it's how to use the control. So you have Hey Siri, you've got triple press to skip back, you've got double press to skip forward, and one press is to play in pause. Of course, there is no actually volume control, which many other companies implemented in their headphones, such as Huawei or Samsung. But yeah, that's how it is. That's Apple. Alright, so you have charged AirPods wirelessly. They show how to charge them. You put them inside and put just on a MagSafe or QI certified charger to charge it up. And Lightning, of course. Here they show how to change the volume, and that's it. Actually, some other papers, doesn't look like Apple. Some safety guidance, etc., all made of thin paper, and try not to waste a lot, but still, yeah, 4 papers inside. It's okay, it's Apple, but better they put the stickers. Okay, so we've got the AirPods. I will put them aside a bit and check what else we've got here. Put everything aside. Just package, cable, yeah, empty box, that's it. So we've got, I think, regular for Apple Type-C from one side and Lightning from another side, 1 meter original cable, which is just good to have extra one to charge. Also the AirPods itself. So let's open it. You have this package. I don't know why they put it actually, but to show it that it's brand new and never opened before, maybe. So that's how it looks like. That's how it fits in the hand. Basically, you have this indicator of charging, or you have it green or red when it's on charging. On the back, you've got designed by Apple in California, of course, assembled in China, one button, and basically that's it. Lightning from the bottom part, and let's open them up. Boom. That's how it looks like. Let's put off the headphones and just see. So basically, compared to AirPods 2, the case is smaller in height, but bigger from the sides. Actually, inside you've got just very simple design. This looks metal, I guess. Yeah, it's from aluminum, I think so. And it's same as in previous AirPods options. Basically, as you see, it's much shorter, so it fits easily, and in previous AirPods you've got a lot of dust here, because you have some small holes over there, but now they get rid of it and made exactly flat cover here and here from both sides. So the case is quite light, it's quite simple to hold. Actually, it's not bad, I guess. As always, it's white and maybe you will have many scratches, but as I told you, I've got this case. So put this inside the case, put it from top, and that's how it looks like with the case. Also quite nice, and you see this indicator is hidden right now and you see it only when it's lightning. Alright, let's move on with the AirPods itself. Basically we've got such nice AirPods here. Some yeah, it's just I think those are sensor when you wear your headphone. Oh no, here is a sensor to wear your headphones. That's how they look like. From bottom you have I guess it's two for charging, and yeah, it's quite short. The top side of the AirPods become a bit bigger, and I think if you have small ears, you can even think about buying the previous model, AirPods 2. But yeah, it depends on you. Each of one has different ears, so basically for someone it will fit well. For me personally, it fits I could say quite well, but for maybe for some girls it will be worse. It's more for male, as for me as a design, I mean, because it's for bigger ears. But yeah, it doesn't matter. And you have this some hole, let's say, yeah. So it's not that steep, and I think it's for touching convenient, yeah. So you can press here and control left and right indicator. Basically that's it. So let's connect to iPhone, check the settings, test it out, and see whether it's good or no. All right, I will unlock my phone, one sec, and then I have Bluetooth on. Let's open it up. So as you see, AirPods appears, and it shows the charging capacity. So as you see, it will be connected once here, and it shows the charging status of AirPods and the case. If you put one AirPods out, it will show separately for left and right the charging. Alright, so let's put it out and go to the settings itself. So we have settings here. Now you see the battery capacity. If you open case, of course, you'll see the case as well. Then you've got a name. You can change the name of your AirPods. You have end call, so you can choose press once or press twice. Automatic ear detection is available as well. So yes, its functions well known. You can turn it on or turn it off. Connect to this iPhone automatically, or when last connected to this phone. So basically, if you don't want to use only with one phone your device, you can put this option and it will be connected with the last phone that was using this device. Personalized spatial audio, basically this one, it works only when you place your AirPods inside your ears to try spatial audio. Basically this settings that optimize the sound of your AirPods based on your ear. So you wear the earphones, use the AirPods, you set it up, you need to move your head, etc., move left, right, and it creates some additional effect of the music. So it's quite nice, it's adjust to your ears, so a good option to have personalized. A microphone, so you can use automatic switch AirPods, always left or always right, but by default it's automatic, so switch based on the conditions and like noise, etc. Optimized battery charging, so it's similar to iPhone 1. When it's charged to 80%, it will be not charged to 100. It will learn when you use them, and then they will charge when it's needed to save the battery life. Quite nice to have as well, this option. Find My AirPods, basically it's similar to Find My iPhone. If you lost your AirPods, you can always find them on the map. Accessibility settings, so you've got the press speed here, default, slower, slowest. You've got press and hold duration, and you've got audio accessibility settings, additional one, so you can have headphones accommodation, background sound on or off, mono audio, phone noise cancellation, headphone notification, LED flash for alerts, and balance. Also good to have. Right, need to go back then to iPhone. All right, accessibility. We have one more option: spatial audio head tracking. Follow iPhone when iPhone is on. Spatial audio tracking for supported movies and TV show. It sounds like it's coming from your iPhone instead of following your head movement. So it's quite convenient to have. Quite nice. So interesting option. Tone volume, it's actually also a good option that you can put it on maximum 125% even, or lower if you don't like the maximum volume. So it's quite convenient if the volume is not enough to you. So you can set it up higher or bigger. Actually, it's quite hard to be in the middle. Oh yeah. So 100% is regular option, so keep it that way. Alright, then you've got model name, model number, serial number, and version, disconnect and forget. So that's it from the options. The model number, by the way, called A2564. So let's test it out, let's test the sound, and we can finish this review, I guess, and sum up what we've got. Alright, I will open the YouTube app. So I found a video, and actually not video, it's no copyright music that I want to hear, but I found one interesting thing. When your AirPods are not connected and not in your ears, the phone audio playing from the phone and music itself, I don't know whether it's convenient or not. For me it's quite strange and new. When you wear them, look, for example, it's connected to my iPhone, of course, I'm wearing it. So the music started to play in my AirPod. Interesting. What about the second one? Let's try it out. Very strange option. I don't know whether you will hear or no. Maybe need to close just sensor. Let me try just to close sensor. Alright, seems music is playing, so you can hear, so you will hear the sound right now. I don't know, maybe some more active music, I guess, need to find, but yeah, let's just see. Skip the advertisement of YouTube, quite annoying. Okay, there is more active music. I close the sensor so to make it work, and just check the sound. Of course, you cannot really estimate the sound by the microphone, that's obviously, but I will just sum up my experience. So basically, if you had AirPods before, then I think with AirPods 1 or 2, it's not that big difference, but AirPods 3, it's much better quality, I guess. The quality of music become maybe 30-40% better based on my personal experience. Microphones similar. Actually, from AirPods 2 and AirPods 3, mainly the design, I would say it's main difference, and the style. From one hand, from other hand, a bit better quality of the music if you listen to music. If you watch the videos, it's more or less similar to previous one. The maximum volume is also similar. So it's just good option to upgrade if you've got your AirPod 1 or 2 old. If you have no AirPods at all, it definitely worth to start from AirPods 3. You will have the best experience with it, I guess, with your iPhone. For the price, 150 bucks, I think they're worth it. Of course, it's Apple, they always have bit higher prices, but yeah, comparing with Samsung, with a more or less similar price with their Pro versions, the sound in Samsung will be a bit better, but yeah, it's a Pro version. Maybe with AirPods Pro the sound also will be much better. I never compared them before. But for daily use, for calls, for movies, YouTube, music, I don't know, walking somewhere outside, for sport. I guess it's really good option. It will fit a majority of ears, and the price, I guess, is really worth it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.